Good morning. This is Morten from Inkish. We are here at Printing United Day 2, and I'm with my good friend Chris from Graphic Whizard.
Good to see you again, Morten.
Good to see you. And I mean, the noise is just part of being at a trade show, right?
That's what we like. We like the noise. We like to hear the people, the excitement, and success begets success, right? When people are having fun and have, being successful, then makes people puts them in the right spirit.
Yeah. Last time I met you, that was at Drupa, and I mean, you had a wonderful booth. We did some wonderful demos of some of your technology. Sure. What have you had not been very busy since then, right?
We've been quite busy since then. Yes, we actually won a contract for 200 machines here in America.
To one customer.
To one customer, yeah. So in a very short period, we had those machines manufactured, installed, trained in a very short amount of time, a matter of maybe 3 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, that is. I mean, kudos to the team, because I mean, both you and your manufacturer. I mean, everybody has really wanted this job to happen in a good way, right?
Manufacturing, our tech support people, logistics, operations. Everybody played a role in our company to make this as smooth as possible, and all hands on deck, from the president of the company to our shipping department. It was a big team effort between Graphic Whizard and our manufacturer, Ozdetech.
Yeah, and I guess that is a kind of size of orders that you don't get every day, right?
No, and you want to make sure they go well.
Yeah.
For the next one.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, because I mean, when you come into a customer that is acquiring so many machines, I guess that, I mean, we're standing in front of the machine. We're going to see it.
Yeah, this is the actual machine.
Yeah.
The PT 8336 SCC Multi Slitter, Cutter, Creaser, Perforate.
Why are names always so long and difficult? I mean, you guys, you know them, but for the rest of us, this is the Aussie. Can I just call it like that?
Yeah, it's an SCC, Slitter, Cutter, Creaser, but we have 8 different SCCs.
Okay, so you need to have the numbers.
8336.
Yeah. I guess that when you sell so many machines to one customer, I guess that it is an operation that really also could be potentially interested in other machines, right?
Yes, that's the hope, and you do the right things and things go well, then whether it's that customer or other customers, we've been spending, Graphic Whizard has been manufacturing and importing machines for 40 years. So we've been working very, very hard over these years to not just improve a brand, but perfect a brand. So perfect a brand that is meant for to compete against anybody, right? To be what the customers need, and to be a player on the world stage. So that's what Ozdetech and Graphic Whizard have been striving for many years now, and we believe we're there.
Chris, I can't help think about, because I mean, when you win an order this size. Is it only price, or is it also durability and user things like that, or what do you know what the main criteria are for winning it? Or?
Absolutely, it's got to be about user friendliness, so reliability. But Graphic Whizard's a lot about value for your money.
Yeah.
And how many things you buy a pocket knife? It's a pocket knife. You buy a Leatherman or a pocket tool or a Swiss Army knife, there's many tools in one package. And that's what the 8336 is. Yeah. It's not just a card cutter, right? So if we're doing coupons, tickets, table tents, so there's many things that we can do with one machine.
But just for me to understand, so basically when you are in a tender like this one, it is not only price, but also all the toolings and the applications and what it can do, basically, right?
So the customer, compared their options, tested the options that they had provided to them, and Graphic Whizard checked more boxes than the others, apparently.
Yeah. And I mean, what happens when you get an order? I mean, I guess that you celebrate, of course, right?
Sure.
But I guess also it's hard work from day one, because you need to deliver. So how do you actually roll this kind of out? Because I guess there's some training and there's a lot of things going on, right?
Yeah, we had to train 150 technicians across the country, virtually, to handle a rollout like this. Yeah. And then it's, of course, if the machine is simple enough, then the training doesn't have to be as intense. and it makes it easier for a smooth transition and rollout application to the end user.
Let's take a look at the machine here, because I mean,
Yeah.
what I like about it is that it is a very small footprint, very compact, and a lot of your machines have that tiny footprint.
Sure.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Because that's important too, right? So not everybody has all kinds of square footage in their print shop, because there's lots of machines and solutions that they need. So what we're doing in a case like this, the number one thing that this machine would do would cut business cards. So using a barcode and a registration mark, we're imposing 24-up business cards that we can impose through our own Trimposer software or through EFI Impose, integrates with our system. So you impose your sheets
With the
using
barcode,
a
of course.
barcode.
Yep.
That barcode has a job location information as well as a batch number.
Yep.
We put you can see there's a different job in the machine now. We're going to queue it up. Going to change over. Going to run 24-up business cards.
And it just recalled the program by using the barcode.
So essentially, an operator can run 500 business cards in 30 seconds of labor.
Yeah.
Right? So when we're running multiple sheets, then those would shingle up. So there's
says, I mean, it's really great to see, because it is a perfect trimmed card, basically.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Has to be very tight tolerance.
Yeah.
So
I
that
like
was
that,
24-up business cards, and now we're going to do add creasing.
Yeah.
So now we have a fold-over business card. And we'll go back to business cards.
So basically, your customer, they basically print the sheets, recall the programs from the imposition software, load the stacker, and basically just go from there.
That's right.
So it's a very cost-efficient way of producing folding and
And then
creases and things
to
like that.
take it a step further, one of the game changers with the way we do perforating.
Okay.
Right, so there's a cross perf tool, put that instead of my crease, using my strike perf on the exit.
Just open it again so you can just see it. So
So no need to swap cartridges in the machine. Everything is separate from the slitters. Right, so these are our strike perf tools. So now I'm going to move my conveyor out feed. Take a ticket job, coupons, job changes over, slitters are moving. I'm going to use 4 slitters now instead of 6, perforate in both directions. This piece always makes me hungry. I love pizza.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's super. So you have creasing in, or perforations in multiple directions.
Yep.
Super smart. Wow. And and these coupons, of course, valid, so I can go to any.
Yeah. Just go to Tony's and tell them
it.
you want a number 3.
I mean, can't complain about that, right?
No, that's right. Exactly.
Well, first of all, congratulations on your sales.
Thank you.
Wonderful also to see the technology, Chris. So
Thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you for this.
it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again.